Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and I realized with everything that's going on, I never finished my November series of my soup, chili, and stew. And I wanted to come back and just finish up that series and then just kind of go with the flow, not really give myself a schedule for December, but just post what I want to post when I want to post. And I just think that's going to be the best until baby is here, and who knows, even maybe going forward. But I'll keep you posted and let you know of any other changes. But for now, enjoy this very, very easy and simple Thai shrimp red curry soup. I love it. Everyone loves it, and it's just so easy to make. So if you guys love soups, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So like most of my recipes in November, you start off with a big pot on medium heat with some oil. I used almond oil, which is a new one for me, but it's got a high smoke point just like avocado oil. And then I like to toss in my red curry paste and ginger garlic paste. I have ginger garlic paste as frozen in my freezer all the time, so they're frozen paste, but it works just fine. I just like to heat it through just to kind of give it a little bit more of a fragrance and get that, brown bits that get stuck to the pot. That just has so much good flavor that I love doing this first. And then I add in my vegetable broth. And if you know me, you know I love the paste. So I add in my water first, and then I add in the Better Than Bouillon vegetable paste. I get all of my paste from Costco, by the way. It's the best deal. So the chicken one, the beef one, and the vegetable one, I get all of them from Costco. And yeah, I just always have all three of them stocked in my pantry because I go through a lot of it, actually, especially the vegetable and the chicken one. I use it so much during this time of year just to make a ton of soups and chilies and stews, and it just has such good flavor, and I don't have to go through the hassle of making stock myself. And honestly, I don't make stock myself very often because of the reason of convenience. So now I'm going to add in some light coconut milk. I get mine from Trader Joe's. I like light coconut milk in this because I like to keep this pretty light, the soup at least, and let all of the other ingredients really shine. So now I'm adding in my shrimp as soon as everything comes to a boil. Bok choy, I didn't even cut my bok choy. I just left it just like this, made sure that it was rinsed really, really well and clean, every single leaf. That's very important. And then just threw it all in. And then lastly, I like to add in the rice noodles. I thought I could cut up the rice noodles and by hand, and then decided, nope, that's not gonna happen. So I just kind of submerged it in the liquid because it does cook up really fast. And by the time the noodles are done, the rice noodles, the bok choy and the shrimp are also done at the same time. So everything just takes about, I would say, 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on the rice noodles, so you just kind of have to look out for that. Usually mine, after boiling, takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Just gotta kind of taste it and see what the texture is like. But that's it. How incredibly easy is that? And it's such a good soup. I just love how spicy it is, how flavorful it is. And if you love that red curry flavor, oh, this is perfect for you. And then if you need a little bit of salt, instead of soy sauce, I actually like to use fish sauce. So I just flavor it up if I need to with some fish sauce, and that's it. And then I just serve it up. It's a ton of bok choy, which I love personally. And then the broth is so incredibly good. I love making this on a weeknight. I haven't actually made it in a while. I used to make it all the time when I lived in an apartment. But nowadays, I forgot about it, honestly. So this was awesome. And I'm glad I got to share it with you because I got to enjoy it throughout the week. I definitely should have made more because this probably lasted us I would say 2 to 3 meals. And yeah, I definitely enjoyed it a lot. So very easy, perfect for a weeknight. Oh, and then I love adding some lemon to this at the end, right before I have it. It kind of cuts down on the spiciness if you don't like the spice too much, but it also just brightens up the entire soup. So lemon slices all the way. All right, there you guys go. That is my easy Thai shrimp red curry soup made with very few ingredients. And it's a perfect weeknight meal just because it comes together so incredibly fast and it's delicious and everyone's gonna love it. So if you guys love soups, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.